All right, so for Isaiah to take the online social studies quiz, he's going to go on today's schedule, but before he logs on to today's schedule, he needs to make sure he's logged in with his school account. If he's not, it will not work. So if he scrolls down and he sees Settlements in North America quiz, he's going to click on that link and it will take him to Google Classroom. Once he's there, he'll be able to click on Settlements in North America quiz. From there, he has the ability to type in his answers in each one of these boxes. So I'm going to click the magnifying glass, go down to 100% so I can see better. So for colony, he's going to find the correct definition of colony, and let's say he thinks letter C is the definition for colony. Then he's going to type in the box, letter C. If he thinks the definition for Columbian exchange is letter B, he'll type in letter B. Those are just examples on how to go through and do that. Then when he scrolls down, to select which one of these are correct for the multiple choice, he's just going to drag the check marks over the correct answer. So if he thinks the correct answer to question 8 is gold, he'll take this check mark and he will scroll down and place it over gold. If he thinks the correct answer to number 9 is there were too many Protestants, he'll take the check mark and bring it down right there. That is how he is able to take the quiz. There's a second page as well where he'll do the same with the check marks, and then he has a short answer that he has to answer by just clicking on the boxes. Hope this helps.